Cloud computing is like renting instead of owning. Imagine renting a huge storage unit, a superfast computer, or even special software. That's what cloud computing is. You use what you need from a network of powerful computers called the cloud. You don't have to buy expensive equipment. Instead, you pay for using these services over the internet, like paying your electricity bill. The cloud offers a variety of services. These include storage for your photos and files, processing power for running complex programs, and databases for organizing information. It also provides networking capabilities to connect your devices and software for creating applications. These services are available on demand whenever you need them. Think about your email. You probably access it on your phone, tablet, and computer. That's cloud computing in action. The email provider stores your emails and settings in the cloud. This means you can access them from anywhere with an internet connection. Cloud computing makes our digital lives incredibly convenient. Cloud services come in different flavors, each catering to specific needs. Infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, is like renting the building blocks of computing. You get the raw computing power, storage, and networking. You then build and manage your own applications on top of it. Platform as a service, or PaaS, is like renting a pre-built house. It provides you with a platform and tools to develop and run your applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Software as a service, or SaaS, is like renting a fully furnished apartment. You use ready-made software applications over the internet. Examples of these services are everywhere. Google Drive, where you store your files online, is a popular SaaS. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a giant IaaS provider that powers countless websites and applications, including Netflix and Airbnb. Dropbox is another example, offering cloud storage for individuals and businesses. The impact of cloud computing extends across various industries. In healthcare, it enables secure storage of patient records and facilitates telemedicine. Businesses use cloud-based enterprise resource planning, or ERP, systems to manage their operations efficiently. Collaboration tools like Microsoft 365 and Slack rely on the cloud for real-time teamwork and communication. Even the gaming industry benefits from cloud gaming services like Google Stadia, which streams high-quality games without the need for expensive consoles. Cloud computing offers numerous advantages. Cost-effectiveness is a major benefit. Instead of investing heavily in hardware and software, businesses can subscribe to cloud services and pay only for what they use. Scalability is another advantage. Cloud resources can be easily scaled up or down based on demand. This flexibility allows businesses to adapt quickly to changing needs. Cloud computing also enhances accessibility and flexibility. Users can access their data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection using any device. Automatic updates and maintenance are handled by the cloud provider, relieving businesses of these tasks. Moreover, cloud providers invest heavily in security measures like encryption and firewalls to protect data from unauthorized access. However, cloud computing also has its drawbacks. One significant concern is internet dependency. A stable internet connection is crucial for accessing cloud services, and any disruption can hinder operations. Data privacy is another concern. Entrusting data to third-party providers requires careful consideration and due diligence in choosing reputable providers. Downtime, though infrequent, is a possibility. Cloud providers may experience outages resulting in service disruptions. While cloud providers offer robust security, businesses and individuals have limited control over the underlying infrastructure. The future of cloud computing is brimming with exciting possibilities. Edge computing is an emerging trend that involves processing data closer to its source. This is particularly beneficial for real-time applications like self-driving cars and remote surgery. Artificial intelligence, or AI, and cloud computing are becoming increasingly intertwined. Cloud-based AI platforms are enabling businesses to analyze vast amounts of data, automate processes, and make smarter decisions. Hybrid and multi-cloud environments, where businesses combine public and private cloud services, are gaining popularity. This approach offers greater flexibility and control over data and applications. Serverless computing is another trend that simplifies application development by abstracting away server management. Developers can focus on writing code without worrying about infrastructure. Quantum computing, a revolutionary technology with the potential to solve complex problems, is also making its way into the cloud. Cloud providers are starting to offer access to quantum computers, paving the way for breakthroughs in fields like medicine and materials science. The future of cloud computing is dynamic and transformative, promising to reshape the technological landscape in profound ways.